Here is how to set up Roblox parental controls to keep your child safe on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Open your Roblox application or their website and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and then go to Settings. Now, you need to go ahead and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions, that is below the Security option. Here you can manage who can message your child, who can chat with them, who can follow them or join their games. Now, if you want to enable account restrictions or parental controls in your child's account, go ahead, tap on Parental Controls option that is below the subscriptions. Then go ahead and tap on Add Parent option, which is highlighted in white color. Now go ahead, enter the parent's email address in this box. Tap on Send Email option. Now go ahead, open the parent email. Now, in order to approve the request to link your account with your child's account, you will need a Roblox account with parent privilege as well. You can go ahead, create an account, or if you already have an account, tap on Use Existing Account, and linking to your child's account will give you access to insights on your child's screen time, spending, and more. Tap on Use Existing Account, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and set up Roblox parental controls to keep your child safe on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.